In the high-stakes world of Formula 1, every second counts. But championships are often decided in the milliseconds between gear changes. A human eye blinks in about 300 milliseconds. In that same time, an F1 car has already shifted gears 100 times over. By the time you finish a single blink, the car has shifted, accelerated, and covered another 20 meters of track surface. It wasn't always this fast. In the 1980s, drivers used manual H-pattern shifters, losing precious momentum with every clutch kick. The revolution began in 1989 with the Ferrari 640. Introducing the world to the paddle shift system we recognize today, traditional gearboxes suffer from a torque gap. This is the moment power stops reaching the wheels while the clutch is engaged. In F1, a torque gap is a weakness? Engineers solved this with the seamless shift gearbox, a marvel of mechanical synchronization. At its heart are dual selector barrels. This allows the next gear to be pre-selected. It is partially engaged before the previous gear is even released from the drive. The secret lies in the dog rings. To prevent the gearbox from exploding, electronic sensors coordinate the shift within a window of a few millionths of a second. You might wonder why F1 doesn't use road car dual clutch systems. The answer is simple. They are strictly banned by regulations. F1 rules mandate a single clutch. Operating at 130 degrees Celsius, it must withstand 5,000 Newton-meters of torque without failing. Does it work? Over a single lap, seamless shifting saves roughly 0.3 seconds. In a 60-lap race, that is 18 seconds. 18 seconds is the difference between standing on the top of the podium or being completely out of the points. The next time you hear that high-pitched scream of an F1 engine, remember the millisecond marvel hidden within the gearbox. This is CodeMechanic, engineering the future of speed, 1 millisecond at a time.